Okay, so the next one is describe the letters in the word mathematics in sets by using description, listing, and set builder notation. Let the set be represented by R. So, how to describe this situation? So, R, okay, if you want to describe a set, so R is a set of, okay, you just repeat, R is a set of the letters in the word. Okay, the letters in the word mathematic. Okay, letters in the word. Okay, in the word mathematic. Okay, you have to put M-A-T-E as in the question. Okay, mathematic. Okay, letters in the word mathematic. So if you want to do the listing, okay, R. Okay. Make sure it is index, in set notation. Okay, so we have to list all the elements that has in the word mathematics. M-A-T-E, okay, M-A-T-E, M-A, okay. This one is repeated word, M-A-T. You don't need to write it again because there's an M-A-T at the front here. So just M-A-T-E, I, and K. Okay, you don't need to write the same letters twice. Okay, so this is the answer for listing and title set builder rotation. So R, okay, here, open bracket, X is the letter, X is the letter of the word mathematics. Okay, of the word mathematics. That's it. Not mathematics in like English mathematics, just mathematics. Please follow the question. X is the letter of the word mathematics. Okay, next. Okay, the diagram below shows two triangles, okay, PQR and PRS, okay, both are right angle triangles. State the two sides of the hypotenuse, and this one is easy. So hypotenuse always opposite of 90 degrees. So the first one is PQ, okay, you should write PQ, and the other one is PR, okay, PR. So this is the easiest question ever. Okay. Next one is question C. Okay. Solve the following equation. So how to find the if you need to solve the equation, so you need to find the value of x. So x equal to 3 plus 5. Okay, you move 5 to the other side. Okay, so the answer is 8. Put here in. 2y equals to 10. If 2y equals to 10, then 1y equals to 10 divided by 2. Y equal to 5. Okay, so z plus 2 equal to 12. So what is the value of z? Okay, without calculation, I know you can just give the answer. So this is how you calculate it. Okay, 12 minus 2. Okay, plus 2, you move to the right side. Okay, it will become minus. And the last one. What is the question? So the question is, I have the missing number there. The question should be x is greater than, okay, x is greater than or equal to 1 and 4x plus 1 less than 13. So, okay, the first part, okay, we don't need to do anything, okay, because x is greater than 1. Okay, we already know. So for x, we just have to solve this linear inequalities. 4x plus 1 less than 3. So 4x is less than 3 minus 1. So this is 13. Okay, 13 less than 12. So x is less than 12 divided by 4. So x is less than 3. So how to solve the linear simultaneous linear inequalities? Okay, we done this before. So the first one is x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, you darken this circle, move to the right side. X is less than 3, so 3 is on the right side of 1. Okay, so circle and move to the left. So this is the sharing part, okay, sharing region. So what is the answer? Okay, 1 is less than or equal to x. X is less than 3. So this is the answer.